guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. So for today's video, I'm going to do a get ready with me for Blackpink's concert. I'm just gonna jump straight into it and just like chat with you guys. So I'm just gonna go in with primer. But yeah, so I'm actually filming this after the concert, just because on the actual day of the concert, I went really early because I wanted to get there. We wanted to go before the merch store opened, but like we took a little too long to get ready, so we actually got there like half an hour after it opened. But yeah, I didn't get to film my makeup on the day, so I'm just gonna do it after. So I'm just going in with foundation. I'm kind of glad that I'm doing it after though, because I can talk to you guys about it, it was actually amazing. I think that I'm gonna post the vlog before I post this video, so you'll get to see a few clippets of the concert in that video before this one. I'm gonna buff it out with my beauty blender. I wore my makeup for like the whole day, so I had it done before I went, which was at like 10 AM. I did something different with my makeup to try to make it last for longer, that I don't do like all the time. So I thought I would show you guys, but it was so great. I got VIP tickets, so I got the pink package, so I got to watch the sound check, which was also like one of the reasons why we went early, because we were like, oh, we'll go early to get merch, and then we'll just like, this was like the original plan that we thought we were gonna do, but we were like, oh yeah, we'll go early, we'll get merch, we'll go get lunch, and then we'll go watch the sound check. And then that's when, after the sound check, was when I was gonna change, maybe get dinner, and then go to the, and by that time we would be able to go watch the actual like performance. But it did not go anything like that at all on the day. As you probably realized, we got there for merch and the line was massive, so we spent 2 hours in line just waiting to get a few pizzas, which I bought tons. I spent so much money, but I was like, worth it because it's Blackpink and I'm actually a really big fan. I'm going to go in with concealer next, so I'm just going to apply this under my eyes, on my nose bridge, a little bit on my forehead, and any areas that I get red sometimes. But yeah, what was I talking about? But yeah, the merch line was really long, so we didn't even get to have lunch, but luckily I had breakfast before I went. I wasn't hungry. We got merch, and then we went back to the car to put it all away, so we weren't holding it during the sound check. And that's when I changed into like another outfit for merch. I wasn't planning on that outfit. I was just like, I want to wear their merch, so we all just like changed and wore their like all the clothes that we brought, because we bought so much. And we did a little photo shoot, and then we went to go watch the sound check, and sound check was really good. Honestly, I'm like so glad that I got VIP tickets, because sound check was probably like one of my, like, to me at the concert, one of the best experiences that I had, because since there wasn't that many people, it was like really intimate. It was just like you got to see them. I was like really sad that you couldn't film, because they had so many cute moments, but then I was actually really glad, because I feel like I got to absorb it all in, just because I wasn't like on my phone. Like, I feel like I cried a lot during sound check. I cried more during sound check than I did at the actual concert, because like when I was like at sound check, I was just like taking it all in. And I feel like, because it was like pretty much their first time performing in front of a crowd in Melbourne, so I feel like they were so much more emotional, and like Rosie teared up, she like cried a little bit, and she was like really happy. And then Lisa was talking about like how she's never seen Rosie this happy, and I just thought it was like the cutest thing ever. I like bawled, I like full cried. I was just like, I cannot deal with this is just too cute, and they're all so beautiful, even in casual clothes. It was just like the cutest thing ever. I'm so glad that I got to watch their sound check. But like, yeah, I was really sad that I couldn't film it, but I'm really glad that I didn't film it, because it just like took away from the experience. But yeah, I'm just gonna go in and quickly bake my face. So what I like to do is grab a bit of bake powder and pop it where my concealer is, and just push it in. I'm gonna push some in the corners of my nose too, because that area tends to like always get really gross. And chin and forehead. I'm just gonna pat the excess all around my face, because I feel like patting it in just makes it last a little longer than using a brush. I'm just gonna have like a sheer layer and pop that open. I'm just gonna thicken up the bake under my eyes just because I want it to be a little bit more brightening. So I am gonna go in with like a thick layer. Like, yeah, it's pretty thick. I'm gonna quickly do my brows and I'll be right back. So now that we have the brows on, I'm gonna go on with the eyes. And I'm gonna start with the Urban Decay primer potion. And I start my bake on. I'm just gonna leave it on while I do my eyes, because I feel like the longer you leave it on for, the like more it like sets your makeup and like prevents it from budging everywhere. I'm just going to blend my primer out. Okay, so now I'm gonna start with eyeshadow, and on the day I actually like really didn't know what I was gonna do with my eyeshadow, so I winged it. I'm gonna take the Too Faced palette in the shade Georgia, just down here, and I kind of use this as the crease color, so I just buffed it all over my lids. And I feel like the eye look that I did was actually like pretty simple. It wasn't really all that hard. I was like crunched for time and I didn't have anything planned, so I just wanted something pretty simple. I just wanted something to match like the outfit that I was wearing like that night, which was what I'm wearing right now. And then I just went in with my Etude House Cherry Blossom Play Color Eye Palette, and just took this pink over here and just kind of redefined the edges a little bit, just to add a little bit more like pinky to my eyes. And I kind of like cut out, you can be messy with it because I'm gonna add glitter into the like lid of the eye, so I kind of just buffed it all across my crease and then took a blending brush and just like buffed it out. But yeah, I feel like I'm still on like a post-concert high. Like I was like so starstruck. I feel like when the concert came on, I was like literally so starstruck that I was like out of it. I was so out of it. I didn't even know what was going on. I feel like whenever I go to concerts, I get like pretty good footage, or like I take decent videos. I was just so out of it. I was like filming but not filming, like filming in slow motion or filming like sped up. Like I didn't even know what I was doing, but I was just like so freaking out of it. I was like so entranced by them that I was like, oh, I need to capture every moment. Then I kept on like whipping my phone out and then like trying to film, but then I'd be like so out of it that I'd be filming like nothing, or like the crowd, or filming it in like a total different like setting. It was really retarded. I was really sad though because they didn't let me film with my camera. Like I brought my camera to vlog with, and then I wanted to get like good videos of them because it would have been so much better quality, but they didn't let me, so I was a bit sad, but it's okay. Like I still got decent footage, so I'm not that bummed about it. But I was like, yeah, there was like this one security guard. I'm gonna just add the glitter now. So this is the Stila Metallic Metal in Rose Gold Retro. I love this color. I'm just gonna pop it like literally all over my lids. I go crazy with glitter. I'm not like one of those girls that strategically place glitter somewhere. I'm just like pop it every freaking where. I don't care if it gets above my lids or like all over my face. Well, I kind of do if it goes all over my face, but I'm like anywhere on the eyes, I'm just like go everywhere. Like it'll good, it's fine. But yeah, so there was this one security guard. Sorry, I got like a little sidetracked from the glitter. There was this one security guard that like so my brother came late. I went to Blackpink's concert with my sister and my little brother, and me and my sister, because we didn't have anything on for the whole day, we spent the whole day at the freaking concert. But my brother had an exam, so he couldn't come to the sound check, which I'm really sad about. Like I wish he could, because it was honestly really great. But yeah, so he didn't get to go to the sound check. But when we were lining up for sound check, we got like a red VIP wristband. And when he came in to, like, when he came after his exam, my sister went outside to get him, and they just like they just let him in with like the VIP ticket, yeah. So it was fine. But then when we went to go down to the golden circle, which is where like the VIP, like the pink package and the black package VIPs were located, there was this one security guard, and he was like no, he doesn't have a wristband, like he can't come in. And we were like, but we have pink tickets, like we've bought pink tickets, like we spent good freaking money to get these, like this spot, like as if you're not gonna let him in just because he doesn't have a red wristband. But like he didn't get to come to sound check because he had an exam. So we were just like pretty pissed because we were like, wait, what the hell? Like, why can't he get in just because he doesn't have this red wristband? Which I'm like, okay, he probably was just doing his job as the security guard. So I wasn't like mad about it, but I was like mad about it because he was really rude about it. And he was like, no, go to the back, like go to general admissions or go to the back of the line. Like there wasn't even a line inside. I don't even know what he was talking about, but he was like, no, you can't come in here, like go over there. And we were like, what do you mean? Like, we just spent like $300 per ticket to come to this event to get these spots, and you're telling us to go to the back. Well, like he was like, oh, like me and my sister could go in because we had the VIP wristbands, because he wasn't allowed in. But we're like, he has the fucking ticket, like what do you mean? I'm just gonna brush off my bag now. But then this other guy came, and I think he like worked for the venue because he was like in a suit, I think like director suit, I don't know. The other one was like wearing security guard uniform, but he was wearing like the suit uniform, like yeah, I don't know. But he was like, oh, what's wrong, like what's happening? And then we told him what happened, and he was just like, we were like, oh, do we have to like go out and get the wristband? Like we don't know what to do, like we just want to get into the golden circle because it's what we freaking paid for. And oh, and we're like, oh, like do we have to go out, like where do we have to go to like get it so he can come in? And he was like, no, don't worry, like we'll send someone down to come here to you to give it to you and like sort it out. And we were like, oh my god, thank you so much, like he was so nice about it. And we were just like, why the hell was the security guard being such a dick to us, telling us to like leave? And it's like, we spent so much money to come here, like we just want to enjoy the concert, and like you're being such a prick to us, like what the fuck. But anyways, we sorted it out. The guy brought like one of the girls down. She had all the things that the VIP people get, and she was giving it all to us. Because we were VIP, we got the crunk hats that move the ears. It's so freaking cute. But she was just like, oh, like I need to get your address because we ran out of the hat, so like we don't have one on us now. But we were like, oh, like it's okay, because when me and my sister got them, we asked for another one for him because he wasn't with us during sound check, and they gave it to us. And we were like, no, it's fine, we have everything, we just don't have the wristband. So she gave us the wristbands, and we went to the golden circle, and I was happy because this happened before they came on, so we didn't miss anything. So I was just like, yes. But yeah, I was really pissed because that security guard was being such a dick to us. And he was the one that kept coming up to us and telling me not to film on my camera as well, which I was just like, you're so mean. But then again, probably was just doing his job. So whatever. But I still enjoyed myself, so it was good. I'm just popping the same color under my eyes to make it even. And I'm just gonna take a buffer brush and blend it a little bit out. And then I did just add like a little bit of the glitter to the bottom of my eyes as well. I feel like I'm running out, but I don't want to run out. It's my favorite. Just a little bit for a little extra sparkle. I love glitter. I love glitter. I feel like glitter just makes everything better. The sun's like coming in. It just moved a little because the sun was like gradually becoming like getting closer and closer, and it was washing me out. So I just moved and I added falsies and eyeliner. But these were the lashes. So they're Glam by Manicure in style 34 Alessandra. I'm just gonna quickly pop a little bit of mascara on. This one's the Kevin Aquan mascara, the one that I use in pretty much every single video. Pop that on my lower lash line. The good thing about this mascara when I was wearing it was that, you know when you like smudge eyeliner and it gets gross and ugly and it leaves like a black patch under your eyes when it smudges? The thing about this eyeliner is, this mascara, is that it doesn't do that. It comes off nicely. It doesn't come off in a blotch and like leaves marks and skids. It comes off in like pieces so that when I cry or when I cheer up and stuff, it doesn't get all over my face. I really appreciate that. If it's gonna come off, then at least it comes off nicely. Because I remember once I went to the hot springs and the only thing that takes this mascara off is water and like when you like peel at it. But I went to the hot springs, so it was really humid and there was a lot of steam, so it was taking my makeup off and this mascara was coming off, but it was coming off nicely, so it didn't leave like smudges all across my face. It just made me look like I just had like face makeup on without my lashes, and I was just like, I'll take it. A lot better than me coming out with panda eyes because my mascara was smudging everywhere. Mascara is on. It went by so quickly. I wanted to come back, but then at the same time I wanted to rest because I've been through so much. I'm going to move back to the face now and just quickly finish it. But I'm going to contour my nose using the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer in Diffused Bronze Light. And just contour a little bit of my nose. Just bring it a little bit more shape back. I never contour that well, to be honest, but I like stopped doing it. I used to contour instead of blush, and now I just blush instead of contour. Buff that all out. This side is really fricked up. It's bad. It looks bad, but it's okay. So I'm going to add a little bit of blush now, and I'm taking the Tarte Party blush. Party. And I'm going to quickly place them. I like don't know where blush goes. I just place it on my cheeks and hope for the best. But it always ends up looking like decent, so I'm not mad about it. Just over here, a light wash, a light wash of pink. Very subtle. You can barely see it, but it just brings like a really nice wash of color back to the face. So, and then I'm gonna go in with some highlighter. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter palette in Glow Kit in Aurora, and I'm just gonna take Luna, which is this one right here, the like white with like pinky flecks in it. I'm just gonna hit you with that highlighter. Oh, so funny, I love her.
I think the point of it is to be savage. Get out your guns and hit them with it. And then show them your jawline. Maybe your highlighter.
Just up here and down in my nose bridge. Down my nose bridge and on my cupid's bow. Really light. If you use too much, it's like a white streak. So I'm just gonna go really light-handedly with this and like slowly build it up. Now that the face is done, I'm going to finally go into the lips. Yay! And I just used the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in the shade Sugar Mama. My lips are a bit dry right now. I didn't like moisturize them properly. Whoopsies. This is pretty much the look that I wore throughout the whole day, but I actually did bring this Dose of Colors lip gloss with me because I wanted to wear it, but I didn't put it on because I was like eating and drinking, but I brought it with me and I wanted to wear it, so I'm just going to put it on for the sake of this video. This one's a Dose of Colors in shade The Most. Put it over it for a nice glittery sheen. So this is the completed makeup look. Thank you for getting ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.